Climbing Holds, a beginner's guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of climbing, specifically focusing on climbing holds. Whether you're a beginner or just curious about climbing, this video will provide you with a clear understanding of what climbing holds are and why they're important. So, let's get started. Climbing holds are artificial grips installed on climbing walls to simulate the experience of outdoor rock climbing. They come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, each designed to challenge and assist climbers in different ways. Understanding the types of holds and how to use them is crucial for any climber. In this section, we'll explore the different types of climbing holds. Jugs. These are large, easy-to-grip holds, perfect for beginners. Crimps. Smaller and more challenging. Crimps require strong finger grip. Slopers. These holds have a smooth, rounded surface and require a lot of hand strength. Pockets. These are holds with holes that you can fit one or more fingers into. Pinches. These holds require you to pinch them with your fingers and thumb. Here, we'll discuss tips and techniques for using climbing holds effectively. Body positioning. Learn how to position your body to make the best use of the holds. Footwork. Understand the importance of foot placement in climbing. Grip techniques. Discover different ways to grip the holds for maximum efficiency. Climbing can be dangerous without proper safety measures. We'll cover safety equipment, the essentials of climbing safety gear, climbing etiquette, rules and manners to follow in a climbing gym or outdoor climbing area. We hope this video has given you a solid understanding of climbing holds and their role in the world of climbing. Remember, practice makes perfect, and always prioritize safety. Happy climbing, and see you in the next video.